Hello Chicks, it's time for us to have a look at our new sound of the week. But before we find out what it is, let's have a look at all the sounds that we've learnt so far. So make sure you're sitting nicely, magnet eyes looking at me. Oh, fantastic, well done. If you're not sure what they are, just look and listen and you will learn. If you recognise them, you can say them with me. Ready? Here we go. Shh, shh, said the horse to the hissing snake. Shh. Thank you. Ch, 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 chew. Ch. A thing on a string. I think I stink. A. May I play? A. E. What can you see? E. I. Fly high. I. O. Blow the snow. O. Ooh. Poo at the zoo. Ooh. Look at a book. Ah. Start the car. Ah. Or. Shut the door. Or. Air. That's not fair. Air. Whirl and twirl. Ow. Shout it out. Ow. Do you remember we learnt this one last week? Ow. Shout it out. Great job, well done. Let's find out what our new sound is this week. Here it comes. It's the sound oi. Can you say that? Oi. Great job. What letters make the sound oi? An O and a Y. Two letters that make one sound, oi. Let's have a look at the other side. Oh look, there's a boy and he has a toy robot. A toy for a boy. Can you say that? A toy for a boy. Oi. A toy for a boy. Oi. Your turn. You have a go. Ready? A toy for a boy. Oi. A toy for a boy. Oi. Super job, well done. Now we're going to be oi detectives and we're going to see if we can find oi in this word. Let's have a look. I have my highlighter pen. Okay. Can you see the oi sound anywhere? Have a look. Yeah, at the end there's an O and a Y. So we're going to highlight those letters at the end. Oi. Now let's have a go at reading this word. J. Oi. J. Oi. N. J. Oi. 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 enjoy. Enjoy. This is the word enjoy. What does enjoy mean? That's right. Enjoy means that you really like something. So this little boy is enjoying the sun because the sun is nice and warm. Oh, and look, he's enjoying some nice fruit and a nice orange juice. He's enjoying listening to the birds, the seagulls, and having a rest. So he is really enjoying himself. Can you think of something that you enjoy? You might enjoy going for a bike ride, or you might enjoy baking a cake. Have a think about something that you enjoy and tell your partner. Did you have a think about something you enjoy? Put your hand up if you have an idea and Mrs. Finn could choose somebody. Good idea, well done. Now, tomorrow we'll learn another word that has the oi in. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.